Hi, Jazz. What are you doing?
Sitting on a bridge.
Sitting on a bridge. We're about to skate it.
Yeah.
Hi, skaters. Kevin, Jazz here. Today we are in Bradenton, Florida on the Cortez Bridge. We're doing another little adventure skate. We've just come from across that side of the bridge over there. That's where Cortez Village is. This is a lovely place to be. That right there, then that bridge north of us is the Manatee Bridge, which leads to Anna Maria Island. This is just a great vacation spot. We're gonna skate this bridge down to the coast and down that way, and we're gonna end the skate. We're gonna skate down Bridge Street, which is over there. We're gonna end it over there by the Anna Maria Oyster Bar Pier. So let's see. Lead the way, Jazz. Let's check it out. Such a wonderful day today. It's December here in Florida. This is our winter. It is so lovely here. The winters are wonderful. Right now it's about 70-ish degrees. It was a little chilly last night, but the sun came out and warmed things up quick. Here we have a broken down sailboat. It's stuck under the bridge.
Boy, oh boy,
That's gonna cost some money to get out. Yeah, that is a nice boat. Such a wonderful place to vacation. If you guys ever want to get away from the cold weather, come down to Florida or the Gulf side and look up Anna Maria Island or Bradenton Beach or Sarasota. We're on the north end. We're Anna Maria Island and Bradenton right now today. So look up the vacation places in Anna Maria Island and Bradenton, and there's wonderful rentals. There's all kinds of rentals here. And you know, you can come down here and just enjoy the water, the restaurants, the weather, do some roller skate. Oh, Jazz gets up on the balance beam. Uh-oh, tricking it up. Running along the marina here. Trying to catch up with Jazz. She's just having a blast. She's going up again. Up again and off. Very technical. Beautiful day here. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this skate. These are wonderful, fun skates, these outdoor skates. They're not that, you know, stressful. You know, not like ramp skating or anything like that. There are some challenges to the outdoor skating. There's rocks, cracks, debris, all kinds of stuff that I'm sure you skaters are already aware of. There's a bicycle coming up behind me, but that's all right. I will get out of his way here soon. Jazz is helping me out, seeing what's around me. That's good. Teamwork, great job. She's slaloming, S-turning. Straight in front of us, you can see, is the Gulf of Mexico. These people are enjoying their convertible. Very nice. Probably wondering where to go. Lots of tourists around here. So we are almost to the coast, to the Gulf of Mexico, which is the reason I moved here. I moved here from Maryland years ago, DC, Washington, DC, Baltimore area. I couldn't take the winters anymore. I moved down here. I think it's been like 15 years. Met Jasmine here, my love of my life, my best friend. And I'm just having so much fun. We started roller skating years ago, late, but I gotta catch up with you. Catch up with Jazz here. Yeah, we just have so much fun on these outdoor skates. There's so much, it's such a great way to spend your time together. We enjoy it. We're gonna let the bicyclists go. Hi.
Those are cool. Hi.
Thank you.
Ready to go?
We're gonna go across the street here and we got a clear shot and show you guys the Gulf of Mexico. I think we have to get aggressive. Gonna have to get aggressive here. Make your way.
I don't generally get aggressive because
She doesn't get aggressive.
Not
But I'm gonna go right now. We're going right now.
when it comes to cars, I wait.
Jazz waits, that's okay.
They're cars.
I take chances sometimes, but hello. So here we are in the Beach House parking lot. Beach House restaurants, waterfront restaurant. It's right on the beach. I mean, yeah, this again, it's so nice to come down here or just to be down here and just enjoy this coast. There's so many restaurants, so much fun things to do, so many fun things to do here. Hopefully you guys are getting a good shot of the water here today. There's boat out there, there's people out on the beach. Here in December, ladies and gentlemen. Here in December, the Gulf of Mexico. You can see the outdoor dining area out here. People have weddings here a lot. just, you know, come here to eat dinner. Jazz is over here doing some spins.
This is great. Very smooth for spinning.
It is, it's true. All right, we're gonna move on. We're gonna head to Bridge Street here. Jazz is gonna lead the way.
Remember, good dining.
Yep, Jazz is saying the beach house is a great place to dine. I was just saying that, but she couldn't hear me. It's okay. Let's, can you show me something here? I wanna see something.
What?
Let's see these socks you got on real quick. What are these? That's the back of the head of an ostrich. Let's see this side. Let's see these ostrich socks.
What do you think of that?
Pretty funny.
Pretty crazy.
All right, let's head on.
Can we cross yet?
I don't know, let's see it. We gotta go back across the street.
Got it.
We're going back across the street here.
Got it.
Thank you. We're right on the street. There's almost pizza here. Good pizza here. Everyone loves pizza. Jazz is jumping the traction pads. I had to do it too. Hard to do with the camera. This was one of our first dates in here. People sitting outside. We're making our way down Gulf Drive. This is Gulf Drive. It runs north and south down the coast. Some areas are smoother than others, but get your soft wheels on and big wheels and get your skating on. It's challenging. It's fun. There's ice cream places, little shops. It's a fun place to come and hang out. Gotta catch up with Jazz. She's losing me a little bit. It's kind of hard to film and skate at the same time. How you doing? Good. Happy Saturday. We got the Moose Lodge on the right here. I know I spend quite a few hours in there. Yeah, right. But you know, everyone's got their thing. Bumpy right here, and we're up to Bridge Street. There's restaurants. This is the Bridge Street Bistro. Awesome food. Outdoor bars. You can sit up top here and overlook the water. Great atmosphere. Fun place to come. We're gonna make our way down. I gotta watch what I'm doing. Nice little Ferrari there. And this is Bridge Street. Lots of restaurants, little shops all over the place. I'm skating right down the main road. How you guys doing?
All right.
Restaurants, stores, shops everywhere. Beach apparel, all kinds of stuff. There's something for everyone here. There's even a putt-putt golf course over here to the right. Adventure golf, they call it. You can come down here, play some golf, have a little dinner, a couple drinks if you're into that. Good time for everyone. Some of these restaurants, hi guys. Good, thank you. Sports lounges, just all kinds of little things to do. It kind of gets the nightlife here is not like New York or anything like that, but or DC or anything, but it's fun. Everything is kind of outdoor and laid back. Bring your beach clothes, your flip-flops, sunglasses, and just have a fun time. Yeah, Bridge Tender, landmark here. We're gonna make a right down here just quickly and check out a couple little restaurants.
Got live music.
Live music down here. Let's check it out. Come down here for lunch maybe after we're done skating. Hi. Everyone's sitting here having a good time. Listen to music. Tip of the hat. Have a drink. It's fun for everybody. All right, we're gonna turn back around